Hello boys, welcome back to another session of video tutorials, and this session is meant for class 12th biology students, and this is for 16th December 2020. As all of you know, we are into the revision mode and we have completed the normal video tutorials and we also completed the revision. I have given notes of each chapter to you. Now we are into the training mode for the examination. As part of the training mode, I am just giving you some assertion and reasoning questions. And today in this session, we are going to familiarize about assertion and reasoning type of questions in chapter number 12, biotechnology and its applications. So here we go. Question 1, assertion. Green revolution was comparatively less effective in developing world where farmers were dependent on conventional breeding. Reason: in developing world, inability to buy expensive agrochemicals forced farmers to rely on conventional breeding. Of course, this is correct, so it has to be A. That is, Green Revolution was the phase of enormous increase in the agricultural production when high-yielding improved varieties (HYVs) of crop plants were used. But the increased yield was partly due to use of improved crop varieties, but mainly due to the use of better management practices and agrochemicals. These practices and agrochemicals were generally very expensive in developing world, which the farmers could not afford. They are in fact not able to afford. Hence, the farmers of developing world relied mainly on cheaper methods of conventional breeding. Thus, Green Revolution could not become as productive or as effective as it was in the developing or developed world. So that is the reason the answer is A. Question 2, assertion. Transgenic plants having virus coat protein gene express resistance to that virus and the other related varieties. Reason: coat protein gene interferes with uncoating of viruses inside the plant cells. So this is also correct. So answer has to be A. Transgenic plants having virus coat protein gene linked to a strong promoter have been produced in many crop plants such as tobacco, tomato, alfalfa, sugar beet, potato, etc. The first transgenic plant of this type was tobacco, produced in 1986, which contained coat protein gene of TMV, that is tobacco mosaic virus. Strain U1. Most likely the resistance generated by coat protein gene CP gene is due to the blocking of the process of uncoating of virus particles, which is necessary for viral genome replication as well as expression. However, other effects seem to be involved in producing coat protein mediated virus resistance. Now we move on to question number 3, assertion. Cry proteins are named so because they are crystal proteins. Reason: cry proteins are solubilized in acidic environment of insect midgut and the release of toxic core fragments after proteolytic action. Now the answer should be C. The cry gene of Bacillus thuringiensis produces a protein which forms crystalline inclusions, that is crystal in nature in the bacterial spores. These proteins are named as cry proteins due to their crystal nature and are responsible for insecticidal activities of the bacterial strains. Cry proteins are solubilized in alkaline environment of insect midgut. Then these proteins undergo proteolytic digestion to release core toxic fragments. These toxins bind to receptors to to brush border of midgut epithelial cells. As a result, brush border membrane develops pores, most likely non-specific in nature, and cause influx of ions and water into the cells, resulting in their swelling and eventually lysis. Now, question number 4. Assertion. The RNAi, that is RNA interference, can be introduced in any organism or in an organism by insertion of gene encoding complementary RNA only. Reason. There are no methods by which in vitro synthesis complementary RNA can be inserted in an organism to induce RNA interference. Of course, both are wrong. I think obviously the answer is D. Question number 5. Let me explain. For question number 4, RNA interference takes place in all eukaryotic organisms as a method of cellular defense. This method involves silencing of specific mRNA due to a complementary double-stranded RNA molecule that binds to and prevents translation of mRNA. There are 2 methods to induce RNA interference in any organism. The complementary RNA can be synthesized in vitro and then annealed to produce dsRNA, double-stranded RNA, and inserted into cells, or the cells are genetically modified to produce the 2 complementary RNA strands, or we say duplex form in vivo by transcription. However, the first method, that is insertion of in vitro synthesized complementary RNA, inhibits target gene expression for only 4 to 6 days, and their reintroduction is required. But the second method, that is DNA vector construct, once transfected into the cells, will keep on generating RNA interference and thereby cause a permanent inhibition of damage. Question number 5. Plantibodies are animal antibodies produced in plants. Reason. Plantibodies are just a theoretical concept. So again, question number 5 has to be C. Answer C. Why C? The term plantibody is derived from fusion of plant and antibody. Plantibodies are produced by transgenic plants that express the animal antibody genes transferred into them. So, for only secretory IgA, that is SLGAI, has been produced in the plant systems. Plantibodies have 2 applications. 1. Treatment of human and animal diseases, and 2. Protection of plants from nematodes and viruses. Now coming to 6, question number 6, assertion. Human insulin, we say humulin, can be produced into bacterial cells using biotechnology. Reason. To produce human insulin, the A, B and C polypeptides of the human insulin are produced separately in the bacterial cells, extracted and combined by creating disulfide bonds. So answer should be C. Transgenic bacteria have been produced that translate the constituting polypeptide chains of human insulin. These polypeptides can be extracted from the bacterial cells and combined by creating disulfide bonds to produce human insulin. In humans, insulin is produced as a prohormone with the 3 polypeptide chains A, B and C. After processing, the C peptide chain is removed and mature insulin is formed. When transgenic bacteria are used, instead of producing extra stretch of C peptide, only A and B polypeptides are produced and then linked to produce mature insulin directly. That is the use of it. Question number 7. Assertion. The first clinical gene for ADA therapy was given to cure SCID, correct? The normal gene was delivered into the patient's cells using a retroviral vector. So the answer has to be B. Then Question number 8. Assertion. Complementary pairing between nucleotides is used to diagnose presence of specific DNA segment in a mixture. What is the reason? Reason. DNA probes having radioactive isotopes help to detect DNA by autoradiography. Again, the answer should be for this B. Why B? Assertion and reason both are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion, as you know. And now we move on to question number 9. Assertion. ELISA test is based on antigen-antibody interactions where a pathogen can be detected by the presence of antibodies, that is proteins, glycoproteins, etc. on it. Reason. The pathogen antibody to be identified is immobilized on the surface of specially constructed ELISA plates and is then tested. Question number 9, I think it should be D. Both assertion as well as reasoning is wrong. Yeah, correct. Why wrong? ELISA. What is ELISA? Expansion. Enzyme linked immunosorbent assay is a technique based on the principle of antigen-antibody interactions. Pathogens have specific antigens on their surface like proteins, glycoproteins. Thus, their infection can be detected by using antibodies specific to bind with those antigens. In process, antigens are immobilized on ELISA plates. Then antibody specific to antigen is added and allowed to react with the adsorbed antigen. A complex procedure is then followed. Question number 10. Colon bacilli can be used to produce glycoproteins that can be used for hepatitis B treatment. Reason. Hepatitis B is a viral disease and its spread in the body can be checked using interferons. I think the answer should be B because both assertion and reason are true, but reason does not explain the assertion, so it has to be B. And now, interferons are the antiviral glycoproteins. They are called cytokines that function as immune regulators or lymphokines produced by the infected cells in response to viral infections. Until recently, the only source of interferons was human white blood cells or virus infected human cells grown in tissue culture. Nowadays, colon bacilli can be genetically engineered to produce human interferons. These interferons, particularly IFN alpha, are used significantly for the treatment of hepatitis B. They are also being tested for the treatment of cancer and some viral diseases including AIDS. Question number 11. Assertion. GM salmon, that is GM is genetically modified. Salmon was the first transgenic animal for performing vaccine safety tests. Reason. For the production of GM salmon, genetically modified ova were fused with normal sperms of the same species. I think this should be D. Both are wrong. Here, let me write D. Genetically modified organisms are those organisms that have their genetic material modified to meet some desired conditions. They generally carry a foreign gene in their DNA. GM salmon was the first transgenic animal for food production. It was produced by the fusion of normal ova with genetically modified sperms. The zygotes with modified gene developed into embryos which gave rise to much bigger adults than either parent, thus have greater food value. It is achieved by addition of a gene that codes for the growth hormone that allows the fish to grow larger more rapidly than the non-transgenic salmon. Now let's move to question number 12, that is biotechnology produces transgenic microorganisms that function as microfactories for proteins. Reason. Transgenic microorganisms can be developed to produce proteins of human use like insulin. So the answer should be B for question number 12. Transgenic microorganisms can be developed by inserting genes encoding for desired protein products using rDNA technology. These transgenic organisms function as living microfactories that produce proteins like human insulin, human growth hormone. Production of proteins from such organisms is easier, more efficient, and cost effective. Now, question number 13. Organisms like GEAC, organizations like GEAC are necessary to monitor GM researches and to test the safety of introducing GM organisms for public services. Correct. Reason: GM researches can have unpredictable results, which even can be disastrous when genetically modified organisms are introduced into an ecosystem. Of course, perfect. Its explanation. And 14, that is assertion. USA's patent of Brazilian is an example of biopiracy. Reason: Brazilian is a protein obtained from West African plant, and the gene encoding it has been patented by USA. So the answer has to be A again. Why A? Brazilian is produced by Penta de Plandrara braziarina and is approximately 2000 times as sweet as sugar. It is used as low-calorie sweetener. Local people have been using the super sweet berries from their plants for centuries. But protein, brazine, and the gene coding it is patented by USA. It is proposed to transfer the brazine gene into maize and express it in maize kernels from where it can easily be extracted. This is a perfect example of biopiracy. Next, last question, 15. Bacillus anthracus exemplifies how biotechnology can be used to destructive processes. Okay. Reason: the spores of anthrax bacterium were spread via letters in the form of powder. Of course, recently this created a lot of panic even in the White House of USA President. So the answer has to be for this B. So this is how you need to answer this assertion and reasoning questions. Keep on practicing. You will